As of September, the Anne Arundel County Health Department has seen 15 cases of whooping cough.
Whooping cough is a highly infectious respiratory disease that we're now seeing in the nation as well as in Maryland. What we're also seeing is an increase in cases back to what it was before COVID hit.
Anne Arundel County Public Schools have seen 3 cases this year, 2 at Crofton High School and 1 at Rolling Knolls Elementary School. Letters like this went out to parents notifying them.
We have alerted parents at those schools to the cases and provided them with information from the Department of Health as to what they can do to be on the lookout for it and be aware of the causes and effects.
The symptoms of whooping cough are very similar to like a common flu, so you will have flu-like symptoms, but then after some time you'll start to see like a rapid succession of coughing, and so that should alert you that this might be different than the common flu, and so that should prompt you to go to your provider.
Pertussis is spread by direct close contact with secretions from the nose, throat, and mouth. It is treated with antibiotics.
There are 3 great ways in order to minimize or mitigate the effects of pertussis. Vaccination is the best way to prevent it, but then also after you've been exposed, there's also antibacterial prophylaxis and also practicing good hygiene.
What we're doing on a school end, which is continued cleaning with some special emphasis on the areas where the impacted student may have frequented.
People of all ages should be vaccinated for whooping cough. Lisa Robinson, WBAL TV 11 News.